Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Simon in Expedition 33. Simon can be found deep inside Renoir's draft, somewhere around the north of the continent. Before I show you where he is, I'd have to tell you that it will be impossible to get inside the dungeon due to it being underwater without the right prerequisites. To dive underwater, when you're using SKA, you'd have to reach the relationship level 6 with him in his side story. However, that can only be achieved at the start of Act 3. Now, how do we go about increasing our relationship with our friends in the expedition? First things first, go back to camp and interact with SKA. Go through his dialogue and there should be an option to spend time with him. Now choose the option and just go through naturally with the dialogue, since this helps with the lore of the game and deepen your bond with him. And when you're finished interacting, your relationship level will increase. Here is the location of Renoir's draft. And in the background, I will have the time-lapse of getting to Simon's location. As an additional note, the option to spend time with SKA, or anyone in the expedition for that matter, won't appear every time, nor can you spam it. You have to do a certain amount of progression in the main story for the option to pop up from time to time. So just interact with him at camp after some progression on the main story to increase it. Once you're done and you reach maximum relationship level with SKA, you can now enter Renoir's draft. Once you've reached this point of the dungeon, Simon's Gate will just be right here, and all you have to do is enter it. Go right past this tunnel, fall down, and he will be just right ahead waiting for you to challenge him. And that's how to find Simon in Expedition 33.